Hello everyone, here we've got Apple iPhone and let me show you how to add alarm on this device. So if you wish to manage alarms here, you have to open Clock app, and now let's open Alarm. And to set it up, just tap on plus icon, pick the hour on which it should ring, then you can pick when it should be repeated. So you can pick every Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Just pick whichever days you wish to have it active on. Then you pick just those 3 days. Then let's change the label so you can smoothly name this alarm as only you wish. And then just let's go back. As you can see, it has been changed. Now we can pick the alarm sound. So just mark the particular one that you wish to listen to every time it rings, and then decide if you wish to have snooze active or not. So just by using the indicator you can manage also the snooze. Tap on save, and that's it. As you can see here, you've got this brand new alarm. It will ring every Monday, Wednesday, Sunday, and then it will ring on 10:05. So this is it. That will be all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.